Welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I will be sharing a beautiful Mother's Day setup with balloons, other elements, and frames. But in today's video I won't be showing you how I created those frames because I want to make a separate video on that. I will share a DIY on the frames next time. Stay tuned for that. Today I will be working with Gemmer balloons. I am double stuffing. I am working with balloonsplace.com. Don't forget to use my code for 10% off. The code is AO balloons. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Without any further ado, let's go. Let's create this beautiful thing. My table is full of balloons. Let's go through them and see what we have over here. So we have brown in 5 12-inch, blush 12 19 5. We have mocha 12 5, shiny rose gold 13 19 5, misty rose 12 19 and 5. And also we have bigger size balloons as well in same colors. All right, so what I'm doing today is I am double stuffing these balloons to create a custom color. So let's double stuff these beauties. Let's go. I will be double stuffing my balloons with a skewer. You can use a baby bottle drying rack, that will work too. Or you can have just a piece of foam and stick a whole bunch of dowels into the foam and multitask, double stuff balloons a little bit faster than just one balloon at a time. Today this works for me, so here's what I'm doing. I am grabbing mocha color balloon in 12-inch. I'll be doing this with every single size that I have. On the dowel, grabbing my blush color and putting right on top. Here you have first double stuffed balloon. For my second color, I am grabbing brown, putting first on a dowel, then blush right on top. And here we have it. Alright guys, balloons are double stuffed. I am using my Legenda to inflate 5-inch double stuffed balloons. I love this machine because it's very strong and there will be no trouble inflating double stuffed, especially 5-inch balloons with it. So I am putting a timer for 1.1. I think that should be good. I inflated 2 pairs of balloons and intertwined my 5-inch into quads like these. Stuffed 11-inch balloons. I am using my regular electric inflator, Zoom. I like this inflator, it's pretty strong. I can't really give you the perfect inflator to use for double stuffed balloons. I don't think there's such a thing for 5-inch balloons. Yes, Legenda is probably the best inflator to use for double stuffed. So here's what I'm doing. Grabbing 2 balloons, inflating them. Saw that this one inflated and this one didn't inflate, so the solution for this is very simple. Simply put your balloon on a nozzle, pinch 2 layers of latex on top, and while inflating you need to pull balloons upwards. This will help stretch out your balloons and balloon will inflate easier. I'm pretty happy with the placement of these frames. I've been moving them for quite a while to find exactly what I wanted. Still, I think that I should have cut 1 row of tiles to shorten this frame, but it's a little bit too late right now. We're gonna work with whatever we have. I feel like it's gonna look better once I'll put a whole bunch of balloons and other elements into this setup. So now grabbing different clusters of balloons and tying them by the necks and constructing beautiful accents with my balloons. happy with what I have balloon wise. Now I want to work with flowers. Just because this is white, I want to kind of break this white up with some pink flowers to kind of tie in that black panel with pink flowers. So let's insert a whole bunch of pretty flowers on this side mainly. That's what I'm thinking. And let's make this even more beautiful. And this is my final setup. I am absolutely and totally in love with the color palette, with pink flowers, with mom letters, and those frames. Thank you so much, Balloons Place, for a wonderful color palette that you've sent me. Again, don't forget to use my code AOBalloons. I am not getting any commission out of this. It's just for you guys, some percentage off of your order. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspiring. Stay tuned for a tutorial on those frames. It's coming very soon. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below for more videos, and I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.